mwancho muligereria ebunge ye county ya Nyamira nigo yeranira ebikaro bya ritukulia lero syanyaka bakoligereria emeswada au yo mobo yanyaka bakoligereria noria bo koligereria roboti urwanya koro gukigwa enene muno igoro ya abakoli mirimo abo batayo bali makitamna ghost workers ase bunge yaetia ogochi kabuna abanyara ko bagusaba koli mirimo bonse be county ya Nyamira banyaka bagotukwa na muno bali batayo banyara ko abakoroswa romna gutumanya muri kito fatigade Gesemba
Abakori emirimo be county ya Nyamira baria batenenetiwe emirimo asogukagirwa gutatwara amasomo aisaine nemirimo eyo amo na baria bakenetiwe ebirogo aminja yerichiko kuse baria baketiwe ebirogo nigo ekamati ya Public Service Management kuse PSM yebunge ye county ya Nyamira kurawa nomo MCA omochore Josephine Atunga nigo yaikia oroboti ase bunge eyo na kurwa uguchika buna baria batenetiwe bairane emirimo yabona boigo ubutuki gokorwa asa masomo abo eryo ritangani ubusaiti boisaine butuke egetambokero kimanya kuimukigwa.
The county issues a form of public apology and provide psychosocial support services to their affected. Number 7. That a comprehensive forensic audit of all HR decisions and payroll records be done, including investigating the changes made under Mr. Godfrey Kriago's leadership between 2021 and 2024. This should focus on demotion, stoppages, deletions, recruitment, appointments, arrears, and payroll observations.
Kubatikana nayo nigo aba MCA bateba egurube yogwakana abakori emirimo nigo egendrete kuba enene na nigo bakwana n'ekinguru kinene igoro yo mucyando gw'abakori emirimo Bembeo Nyamira.
Employing anybody into work. It's their mandate, not us as the employers. They are the employers, and their pure responsibility is to ensure that the documents represented before them are genuine.
Rightful role of oversight. We stop bootlicking, we stop sleeping or going to bed with the executive. That is the time we bring sanity into this county of Nyamira.
Ensema yaye omonogeri bwebunge eyo Mosketarias Nyabaro nigo amochika omokonyi bw'omonogeri James Matinga na boigo omo MCA o township Duke Masira kochora ekomiti y'abantu 11 abo bawicha butuka obukurumi obwo bwikiraniwa aze wizara ya Public Service Management ekurawa n'omuwasiri Kennedy Angwenyi.
Honorable Thomas Vincent Benecha, Honorable Charles Kiganda, Honorable Henry Osinyo Ogwaya, Honorable Abigail Martin, Honorable Michelle Keumo Moyo, Honorable Doris Nyamanga, Honorable Josephine Atunga, Honorable Abel Mukaya, Honorable Josia Mangera, Honorable Julius Atwere, and Honorable Minda VH Mr. Speaker, and the sum up to be 11 member of experience informed.
E komiti eyoinya ya chorwa nigo bare na matuko emerongo 5 no moka eryo wikia oroboti orwo ase bunge ye county eyo
be adapted to the head of committee to investigate on the matters of ghost workers and recent illegal employments by the county government of Nyamira. With as many of the similar opinions say aye, aye. With as many of the contrary opinions say nay, the ayes have it.
Poigo aba MC abaiga bakwanira amaganio y'omugavana Nyaribo ayo arengete a bill kose memorandum of the referral of the Nyamira County Appropriation Bill 2025 na poigo okugania ebengi ya KCP engeria yabo yakira omutieni wetera aroro engana no nyanigo baetia kobwamo.
Speaker, sir, and therefore move a procedural motion to allow debate of the motion on the Kenya Commercial Bank's proposal for early salary processing for the County Assembly of Nyamira.
Kinko reporter Getembe kurwa se bunge ye county ya Nyamira egotoka imeya ward ya Township West Mugirango Njefa Tigad Gisemba.